both boards drilled and cut. I've not sanded yet. All holes are 6 inch apart. The 9x12 center hole 6 inches. I have went ahead and puttied with wood filler the holes, let it dry tonight, and then I will sand them tomorrow, and then we'll start adding our graphics and logos. Well, I let the putty dry, and I'm going to use this little DA, which paper I bought wasn't quite as white as the DA, but it's working. It's 220, and I'm going to knock down all the wood putty. I had to put a second coat on it because they wasn't filled all in, but anyway, we're going to smooth these up. Now we got all the holes smoothed down. We're going to use a little barrel sander for a Dremel just to smooth up where the hole saw was kind of rough going through, just so it's kind of smooth. I don't think it's real critical, but we're going to do it anyway. And that should work. All right, we'll start applying the stain. Bottom one's Early American. We have foam brush. Well, here it is. Got the dark taped off first and stained, and then got this side stained, let it set for just a little bit, and then stained the rest and wiped it all down. So next step is putting our border in and putting our decals on, and then we'll urethane them. But all in all, I'll zoom in. It turned out pretty good. A little bit more work on them, they'll be perfect. Well, here is board, first board. You can see the top is stained with natural, and then the bottom is stained with Early American. You got the Piney Life logo, and then striped them off and painted them. And this is one with the tape pulled off. So now to let them dry and put the urethane on. Well, this is them. Got our Pine Life logo. All the pinstriping turned out good. I put the urethane on pretty quick. It got some divots in it, but all in all, they turned out really good. And tomorrow night being we're having a get together for Father's Day, so we'll get to break these in and scuff them up real good with some bags. But like I said, they turned out pretty good. Well, hope y'all enjoyed this. Hope it helped you out. I know it was an experience for me. I believe I could do it a little quicker next time. But they're not that complicated with regular tools, and you know, if you had a saw or a miter box saw or whatever, you don't have to do the 6-inch hole saw bit. I mean, that was, you seen in episode 1, that was pretty it grips pretty good. So a drill bit and a jigsaw, as long as it's measured out 9 down and 12 over, puts it on center, make your hole. But hope y'all enjoyed this, and catch you on the next video. We're gonna be going back to some tractors and four-wheelers, and of course hunting season's a few months away, so food plots and tree stands. But as always, thanks for watching. God bless.